What is going on, guys? How we doing out there? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. All right, guys, I'm here today. I want to introduce you guys to a new program that just launched. All right, I am super excited about it, and no, I did not plan on joining another digital program, but I could not pass this one up, and I'll tell you why. All right, now the link is in the description. I just really got in this thing and just set it up today, and I know I needed to bring it to you, so that's what I'm here to do. I want to show you a program on how you can earn instant $200 commissions, right? But check it out, doesn't stop there. With this program, there is also a residual income component with it. So you could actually earn $200 plus residual. Not to mention you can add 2 of your programs that you already promoting inside. All right, so this is awesome. All right, now if you haven't checked out my other projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go to coffeeandcoins.info. We're going to get this one added on that page. It's not on there yet, so just go to the link in the description. All right, and you're going to see this page right here. All right, go ahead and opt in and check this thing out. So let's talk about it. Let's go. It is called the daily income method. All right, this system is really awesome. It's more than I anticipated, and I'm going to tell you why did I get started with this. Because HBA is in the system. I'm already a part of HBA. One of my programs I've been promoting for 6 months now. HBA is 10 years old. Okay, it's a solid company. So when one of my HBA members actually told me about it, all right, and when he mentioned HBA is in it, which is Home Business Academy, I said, I've got to check it out. And once I did, I said, okay, this is awesome, especially for the price point, guys. This price point is awesome. There's no monthly fees for the daily income method system, all right? One-time payment, and you're able to earn $200 commissions. Anywhere, any way you pretty much want to. We'll talk about the different options. But Mac Mills is the one that created this program. He always creates great systems. I remember way back MCA days, I think is when I first saw, and matter of fact, Daily Income Method was one of those. I was a part of that, and I saw some emails, some old emails. I think it was 9 years ago, maybe 2017. I think that's what this system was around, MCA. And so anyway, he always creates great systems. Again, why I like this one is because we can choose HBA as our capture page system, okay, for the funnel, so that you will collect your own leads, okay? So that's what got me pumped about it. And of course, once I got in here and I saw all the training and the products, it's a great system. All right, so anyway, check it out, Daily Income Method, and he walks you through how to set it up. It's plug and play. All right, so over here we're in the dashboard, as you can see. Like I said, I literally just set this up. It's step by step, very simple, very, very simple. Okay, we're in the dashboard. See right here, it says start setting up your system. His videos, you're just gonna watch the video and just do exactly what he tells you to do, step by step, to set it up. $200 referrals, $97 to the admin. So this system is only $297. Okay, one-time payment. All right, so over here we're in the dashboard. So if we click the system setup, as you can see right here, welcome to Daily Income Method. Again, he's going to walk you through how to add your payment methods. Okay, what are the payment methods here? You got Stripe, you got PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Cash, Chime, Wise, Crypto, and other. I'm accepting credit cards, I'm accepting Cash App, and crypto, of course, Bitcoin. So those are the options that I'm accepting. But you can click on all these, or you can just click on one. Very simple. See, step by step. And he shows you exactly how to set it up. So we got that. And over here to the left, the capture page system. This is what I was talking about. This is optional, right? You see it says optional right here, right? But you're going to need a marketing system. And so, number one, I'm already in HBA. And guess what? The marketing system is only $25 a month. That includes an autoresponder. Hello. Some of these emailing services out here cost you $30. That's separate that you would have to pay for your emailer. Okay? So over here with HBA, it's only $25 a month. You earn $20 residual commissions. Okay? So, and it's plug and play. So if you're already in HBA, you just plug in your HBA ID here, and boom, you're ready to rock and roll and follow the videos down here. One of the co-founders of the company, Mike Hobbs, signs off on this. Okay, that's the other thing. They approved it, and we're using HBA as the marketing system, the funnel builder. HBA also has an emailer, guys. The emailer is included, so you're not paying any additional. You're paying the $25, and then the way they have the emailer, it comes with 300 credits. So that's pretty much 300 email blasts you could send out to 300 leads, right? But then it's by credits, so there's no monthly. You're only billed when you blast out your emails, okay? So it just makes sense to go ahead and use HBA instead of looking around for other systems. $25 a month, you earn $20 commissions, all right? So that's in here as well. So you can just plug right into HBA. As you can see, I've completed that, all right? And that way you have your capture page and your autoresponder all in one right here. All right, so that's what they're using. Again, it's optional. I'm already all in HBA. Okay, and this is why. So now, guess what? I have the opportunity to earn $200 and $20 commissions, because every time someone purchases the HBA system, I'm going to earn $20. See what I'm saying? So I'm promoting one of the companies I was already promoting anyway. Now it's inside of here on the front end. All right, so we got the capture page, and again, one of the co-founders of HBA is going to walk you through how to do it. I just did it. Okay, see right here, 18 minutes, you're done. All right, so you got that. So that's another income besides your 200. Then if you click here, here's your affiliate links. These are different, landing pages they've got here, which is awesome. Okay, all that's here. Then they've got a little tracking tool here for you. And then here's another option to earn commissions. Udemy is the traffic source they have in here. I've always been an affiliate with Udemy, so I just plugged that in. See how that goes? So now you're looking at $20 commissions, $200 commissions, and when folks buy traffic, which you need traffic, you can earn commissions from that as well. You see? This is like a multiple stream system. Okay? All right, and then if you click here, video follow-ups, this is just another system that he have in here. It's optional. I haven't signed up for that, but as you can see if you have this, you can go ahead and input that here as well. Tap, flick, okay? So another stream, right? And then he's got resources in here. You can copy and paste emails that you can send out to your list. Okay, copy and paste. This is pretty good, guys. This is a good system. Like I said, I haven't gone through all the training. I just thumbed through everything because I wanted to see what's in here. But this is good stuff. This is nicely done. Nicely done. Okay? He was very thorough with this. Well put together. Then if you click over here, recommended tools. These tools are optional and not required. Okay? Just more options. This is called Post Planner. You can check that out. Plug in your Post Planner affiliate if you're part of that. Create instant ready-made faceless videos. What is this called? Syllabi. There's a trial for that. Okay. So again, tools, and you can become an affiliate for those different programs. All right. Then referrals are here. No referrals in there. I just signed up. Commissions would be here. Leaderboard, access products. Now this is the products. Because you're probably saying, well, what is this? Just a system I'm reselling over and over and over? No, there's actually products in here. Check it out. Daily income method. Okay, look at this. Your A to Z marketing system from setup to daily sales, step-by-step training, tools, strategies to start earning $200 per sale. And if you click right here, check it out. A library of products. Okay, see what's in here? It's a lot of good stuff in here. Okay, so you have that. That's one of the products, daily income method. Then 100,000 faceless reels. A massive library of 100,000 done for you, faceless, ready to go posts. So for those of you that say, I don't really want to show my face on video, they've got 100,000 in here. All right. See right here, I'm not going to open it up right now, but I clicked it earlier. Right here is huge. It's 100,000 of those, literally. Okay. So that's a second product. Then right here, viral hook script generator. AI-powered tool, generate viral reel scripts and photo post captions with original hooks. This is powerful. I use this in another tool that I have, and this is a bonus. Look at this. Content generator. This is powerful. I'm telling you. I have this in another, one of the HBA's tools, and this is very, very good. Okay? So this will help you create content, guys. All right? All right, let's look at the other product. That's number 3. And then Facebook Profile Growth Guide. Facebook Growth Guide. Well, we're not even done yet. This is just another product. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. We're on product number 4. This is a bonus guide. Click here to download my Facebook Profile Growth Guide. Okay, so you got that. And then you have the AI Mastery. Clone yourself using AI. This is a bonus training. High quality AI images of yourself like a pro. So right here you got that. Okay, you see this? And so this is different than a lot of the other digital programs out here. He's offering something different, which I like, because a lot of them is the same old, right? So this is different. I like that. And then you have the secret Black Book of Email Swipes. That's a bonus. It's 222 proven emails that get opened, clicked, and read. All right, so you click that bonus and you see this. You can download that as well. All right, so those are your products. Then, of course, you've got the community here. You can join the community. Okay. Live weekly training. They had a Zoom. It was today at 1 o'clock right here. Okay. So, and then they got one that looks like on the 18th. So they're going to be having weekly training with Mac Mills himself and Melvin. All right, guys. And then if there's any updates, it will be right here. And then you got support. All right. And then I just showed you the community. And the way they have this one, which is what I like, this is what, this is how HBA's system is, where you can see live recognition of sales coming in real time. Look, this says 2 hours ago. Okay. And so far, again, this is a new program that they did a beta test back in March. Just to, run it through, make sure everything was good. And now it's, it's done. The launch is here. And so far they've paid out $317,600, okay, in commissions in that short period. So this is the system. Really liking what I see here. I can't wait to really deep dive into everything here. But let me tell you, this is perfect, guys. Definitely, if you're in HBA, I highly recommend you look into this. If you're not in HBA and you've been checking it out, I've been doing videos for 6 months on HBA. This is a perfect way to get started. Get in, join HBA, get the funnel builder, come through here, come through my link in the description. All right, click that link. It's going to take you to this page right here. Hold on. Where's the page? This is, where did it go? Hold on one sec. No, it's not it. Let me show you. This is it. You're going to come to this page right here. Opt in. You're going to go to my sales page, which is this one right here, right? This is the sales page too. Check it out. Just post 1 to 3 video reels daily and profit $200 per sale. See right here. Without showing your face, just 15 minutes a day with these reels. Use our 100,000 prepaid done for you video reels. This is the sales page you're going to have as well, guys. This is nice and clean cut. Here's what's included. They specify that. The marketing system. Earn while you learn affiliate marketing video vault. Copy my personal campaign templates. Multiple streams of income within that system. Remember, I just went over lots of different income streams. Not to mention you can put 2 of your own in there. And then here's the bonuses. The viral reel and hook script generator. The viral reel method. The 100,000 faceless video reels. Facebook profile growth guide. Private community access. And you're only spending $297 for this thing. $200 goes to the person that referred you. $97 goes to the company. And as you see right here, you'll see my name right here, so you'll know you're on the right page. Here's a video. Explain how it works. Join the daily income method. Pay once, own the product forever. Step 2, post pre-made reels. Step 3, you can collect your commissions. All right. Real people, real results. Now, so once you click there, then you come here, right? And this is where you check out. Again, here's my name right here, so make sure you see my name there. And it shows you, it says create daily income method, pay your affiliate, $200, pay $97 to the company. Put your information, your name and your email, and the first payment is going to be the $200, and then your next step, you'll see it says pay the $97. Okay, guys? This is powerful. This is going to be hot. I already see it. It's got a lot of great value in here. Trust me, if I wasn't even looking at getting into an opportunity, because when I saw it, most people was just talking about $200 commissions, right? And I was like, I already got enough programs, instant commissions, yada yada. But it caught my attention when he mentioned HBA was in it, and I see how it is incorporated in this, and I like the flow of everything here. Okay, so check this thing out. This is going to be it right here. Perfect for this year. So anyway, go to the link in the description. Again, come to this page right here. Make sure you on this page, right? Put your information in. Pay attention. You're on my sales page. You're going to see my name on here when you come all the way down. Where are we? Oh. It's on here. I think it's on this other page. Oh, right here. Okay, referred by. All right, and go ahead and get started, guys. I look forward to working with you. We're going to be talking more about this and breaking this thing down. All right, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.